What's up guys, you're watching the Sit Show, and if you're new in my channel then don't forget to subscribe and like. Today our topic is PlayStation 5 error, and the error is that WS-115019-7 unable to connect to the server. We are just going to fix this error, and I'm just going to share my screen on the left side, and here we are at the screen, and then go to the settings. Here is the you must go to the user and account. You must check your PSN account is logged in or not, or login settings, and here you can set the password. If you set it, you just turn it off. Login automatically, you must set it, and then go to the network. View PlayStation network services. You must check the server. Sometimes the server is down, undergoing maintenance, or working on updates. Here's a green, all is green, then server is working up and good. If if the server is not working, then you get the red option, and you just wait, and simply Sony will fix this up automatically. And if the green, then you must test your own internet connection, and simply that's how you can fix this. And I hope you found my video helpful for you. If you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box, and see you soon for the next one.